Today's recipe, low-carb loaf bread. For this recipe, you will need melted butter, 5 eggs, apple cider vinegar, salt, nutritional yeast, xanthan gum, baking powder, flaxseed meal, and almond flour. So let's begin. The first thing that I did was grease a bread pan, then I added some parchment paper so I can easily remove the bread once it's done. Next, I mixed the dry ingredients together. So here you see me with the almond flour. I'm adding the nutritional yeast, flaxseed meal, and you can grind flax seeds in a high-powered blender, which is what I did. I added some salt, some xanthan gum, and baking powder. Next, I'm going to combine all these ingredients, and then we'll go ahead and mix the wet ingredients together. Okay, so now I'm cracking the eggs, and I'm going to whisk the eggs together. I'm giving the eggs a good whisk. You don't want to see any separation between the yolk and the white of the egg. I just added the apple cider vinegar, the melted butter. Make sure the butter is not hot. It should be at room temperature because you don't want to cook the eggs. And continue to whisk all the ingredients together. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add the dry ingredients. And then I'm going to make sure that this is well combined with the liquid mixture. Okay, so now you see me switching out the whisk, and I'm going to use a spoon because the whisk is no longer working for this mixture. And I'm just basically using the spoon to combine the liquid with the flour mixture, making sure we have a uniform mixture. One thing I want to quickly mention is that your dough mixture will be slightly sticky, but that's okay because we're not using traditional flour, but it will be perfect in the end, I promise. You'll see. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and pour the batter into the baking dish. I'm having a hard time with the camera angle, so I'm just going to go ahead and spoon the remaining batter in. Okay, so now you can see that there's some rough edges around my bread. So to smooth this out, I add some, just a wet spoon, and I smooth the entire batter out. So this way I can get a nice looking loaf of bread. And that's it, guys. So this is what it looks like going into the oven, and I will be back with the finished product. So this is what it looks like coming right out of the oven. I did smear on some butter on the top, and I'm going to go ahead and lift it out of the pan. See how easy it is to do when you put the parchment paper at the bottom. And basically that's it. That's our delicious bread. I'm going to go ahead and slice these up so you can get to see the inside texture. Alright, so now it's the time when you guys can go ahead and thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more videos like these. Now let me show you the texture of this bread. It's legit, guys. I keep saying it, but it's legit. I hope you try this one. So I use this bread recipe to make sandwiches. In the mornings I toast it up. I use it to make anything that I would use traditional bread for. You can cut the slices as thick or as thin as you like. Just remember to adjust your nutritional value. But guys, yeah, this is it. It's a perfect low-carb bread. Alright, so this brings us to the end of this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to this channel. If you'd like the full recipe, please visit my website. It's lowcarb360.com. As always, I thank you all for watching.